this is Ebonyi Picnic 2025. Daniel doing what he does best. Configuring the burgers for the kids. Madam Jizike. And what are we doing here? You guys are configuring the chickens.
Yeah, we are.
Okay. So that's good. Yeah, everywhere is busy. We're having a good time today. Thank God for making it possible for us to put it together. It was a little bit rough. Okay. Okay, so how is it going though?
Yeah, it's going on well. Like, we are really having fun.
Nice.
And I must say, and I must commend the chairman, because organizing this is not really that easy. And we have it all surplus here, everything to eat. So if you're not here, you're really missing.
Yes.
It's quite unfortunate.
Yes.
But I have to just enjoy my meal. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So, madam, how is it going today?
It's going very well. We thank God. We're having fun.
Yeah.
Ebonyi Unlimited.
Yes. Ebonyi Unlimited.
Anytime, any day.
We have unlimited food, unlimited everything today.
Yes, yes, yes.
And this is Ebonyi State Canadians 2025 Picnic. Thank you for coming.
Welcome. Thank you.
What message do you have for the whole of the community, including those who didn't come today?
The only message is that they are missing. And next time they shouldn't miss.
I can see that your plate is loaded.
Yeah.
This is all combinations possible.
No. You need a warrior, man. It's only the one guy.
Oh, can you imagine? So this is donated by Honorable Collins.
Yeah, by me, not me.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Thank you so much for coming. I'm sure you guys are having fun.
Yeah.
Oh, Eben Collins, I hope you're having fun.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
So how's it going today, guys?
It's going well. Everything's good.
Good. You guys are getting enough to eat?
Yeah, man.
Nice. We're glad to have you guys here. Yes, sir. So how's it going?
Going good now.
Oh, nice. This is Ebonyi State Canadians Unlimited. We are Ebonyi Unlimited. The 2025 picnic.
Panic attack.
Yeah. Yes, how's it going here?
I cannot do. Awesome.
Oh, nice. Plenty to eat and drink.
Yeah, we have fun.
Oh, nice.
Ebonyi people in Canada,
Yes.
specifically Toronto, if you're not here, first of all, you're missing. We have a lot.
Yes, sir.
And they make premium enjoyment here. But you're
Premium,
missing it.
yeah.
So much to eat, so much to drink, but you decide to stay at home. You don't know what you miss.
Yes, sir.
Again, try to associate with us. We are friendly, nice community, we're like a family, and we enjoy ourselves.
And we thank our sponsors too.
And our sponsors. Obviously, we couldn't do this without you. So we sincerely appreciate your support, your volunteer in all the capacities that you have contributed towards making this a success.
Yeah.
We sincerely appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. We are really begging. We want all of us to sustain like family, contribute in any way you can. Step up, come and do whatever in any way you can help us or you can support us and contribute to the community. We will appreciate it so that we can grow it bigger, better,
Thank you.
family.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Madam Takwa Hono, I on Igwe TV. So you have no Rosie Igis in the Ebonyi Visa and Mivune. Takwa. It ain't with a wonder. Okay. Ini kita aja pakai home man. Ready tiket. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Now you big man you once. Okay. Well, how's the baby doing? Hope you guys are having fun, right?
Good, yes.
Nice.
Very fun.
Hello, baby.
Doesn't want camera.
She's camera shy.
She's camera shy.
I can see that. All right, we'll talk again then. Hey, Madam Alfonso, how you doing?
I'm good.
So you have a message for us?
We are having fun.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
enjoying ourselves. This is the best place to be.
Yes, and we have unlimited food. You guys have
We
done
have like
enough.
too much to take home.
Yes.
Not just we like we have some coolers of food still left.
Wow.
Chicken, anything you want.
Wow. This is good.
Enough to eat and still get home.
This is good. And we have fried yam, fried rice, chicken, fish, plantain, whatever, all the natural foods.
A lot.
All the organic foods are here.
Yeah.
Hello, ladies. And I have a message for our audience. This is Ebonyi State Unlimited. So, are you guys having fun today?
Ebonyi State Limited 2025 is a blast. Look forward to showing up here for Ebonyi State Limited 2026.
Yes, yes.
That's all we promo.
Oh my God. This is tight promos. I like that. So that's good. You're welcome, madam.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Good.
Always a pleasure.
Yeah, sorry.
To spend time with the boys. Last day was awesome, according to my friend.
Yes.
This day is romance, and then next day will be
Promo. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next year. We're going to look for another venue that is more accessible. Yeah, it's going to make it easier. There was lots of traffic, but we are still having fun. Yeah, started a little bit late. All right, thank you so much.
Wife, what do you have? This is my first time coming here, and I must say it's a blast. I'm having so much fun. And I
Nice.
can't wait for next year because I know it will be
Wow.
much better.
Wow,
And
so-
thank you
so-
for accepting me.
Oh, thank you. So, are we getting 5 stars?
5 stars.
5 stars. Okay. Thank you. Hey, guy. You're so busy with your plate. How is it going? I can see the Ebonyi plates are busy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Why you eat? Nice. I'm happy that you guys are having fun. Okay. I could actually see lots of food are still boiling. You can see ube, you can see okay. And this is madam that is in charge. So she can give you the message.
This is my corner. My frying corner.
This is our vice president,
My roasting
Madam
corner.
Grace Ogo. So this is cool.
Fried yam, corn, beer.
Yes. It's hard to find
we are loaded over
in
here.
faraway Toronto. We are making it natural. You can see. Wow, this is cool.
Yeah.
That is what Ebonyi is.
Unlimited.
This is dubbed Pro Max.
Yeah.
Somebody already said in the video that it's going to be Pro Max, so we're going to double it.
Yeah.
Imagine everyone can't hear it. Like we have to double it.
Give me that thing. Now give me that thing. Yeah. Now give me
Okay. Are you having fun today? Good. And what's your name? And you're from Ebonyi State, right? Okay. So Ebonyi State on Canadian Picnic 2025. You came on time, right? Are you having a good time? So tell us how you feel. Good. Nice. Thank you, Amanda. Okay. Yes, so yes.
Onye abịa wee ka ọma taa n'izikwa ibe.
Yes, so
Ọ na-omekwa ebe na-akpọta akpọta.
Na-akpọta akpọta
Nwoke
serious.
ike o.
Yes, so
Usoro n'ụlọ ya.
yes, so
Ya.
yes, so
Echineke gị nọ na-edu anyị na-eje.
Yes.
Kwa afọ.
Aki na ndị ime karịa.
Akịrị na ya eme karịa.
Okay.
No, no, in Canada, but I go.
Yes, so.
I got for boy. No, no, make a minute.
Yeah. All right, well, thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Bye.
So, we are here in Ebonyi gathering.
Yep.
Ebonyi Picnic 2025.
Yes.
As you can see, everything is happening.
Yes.
Lot of chicken,
Yes.
hot dog, and everything is here.
Nice.
So if you are not here, you are missing.
Yes,
If
so.
you are not here, you are missing. And every year we do this, and we get our able chairman always organize this, bring us together.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.